morning friends, I am Suraj Arwal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to make fungicide at home, the best quality fungicide by your kitchen ingredients, and you can use in any of the flowering plants, vegetable plants, fruiting plants, everywhere, and in cuttings also. If you do the cuttings or pruning, you can apply this fungicide. And the ingredients I am taking, these are all cinnamon available in all the grocery shop you can buy. These are cloves you can apply, and you may apply some turmeric. These are turmeric powder, and fourth one is charcoal. These are wood charcoal, good quality wood charcoal you can use. And for that I am using this mixture grinder here. I am putting this The second item I am applying here, cloves. Third item I am using turmeric powder. And fourth one adding charcoal, wood charcoal. If you put small pieces, that would be better. All four are fungicide. And now taking out here. This is the powder. And now collect and keep in a container. Now you can apply this one, and the more important thing is how to apply it. How to apply it is more important. How to use it and how to apply it. Just keep watching. I am giving you updates how to apply it. Now welcome back. Now I am showing you how to apply it. This is the powder, four things mixed here: charcoal, cloves, some cinnamon and turmeric powder. These are now black colored powder. These are the all fungus infected. You see, if these are fungus infected, you can apply some porous cloths. You can apply, that will be better. And here are this is the first method of applying. So this is the time of pruning the adenium, and where your pruning is done, next what to do is just wipe out. Now apply it. So one thing I tell you, you cannot use it in sprayer. If you use it in sprayer for the solution, the sprayer mouth of the sprayer, the nozzle of the sprayer may be blocked. So you have to apply it, dry it here, and this is all how to make fungicide at home. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the garden tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.